the 2nd of June 1994, a Chinook that was declared by test engineers to be positively dangerous and not to be relied upon in any way whatsoever, crashed into the hillside on the Mull of Kintyre, killing all 29 service personnel on board. We, the families of those lost, are still being denied answers over 30 years on. The MOD has rejected our request for a full judge-led public inquiry, and furthermore has sealed documents relating to the crash for 100 years. We are requesting that the Prime Minister, Sir Keir Starmer, live up to his promises on duty of candour and overrule the MOD's decision. Please sign our petition.